This exercise was named after Charles Atlas, a popular bodybuilder in the mid-20th century. Unlike regular push-ups, it requires an elevated platform to hold your hands on. Atlas push-ups reduce the amount of body weight used, which allows you to bend your arms to a greater extent and work your chest muscles harder. When performed regularly, this move helps build strength and endurance. 1. Place 2 wooden blocks or other solid objects of least 30 centimeters tall on the floor. 2. Assume push-up position, placing each hand on a block. Keep your arms shoulder width apart and your back straight. 3. Lower yourself to the floor, bending your elbows as much as you can. Your chest should touch the upper part of the objects. 4. Return to the initial position and repeat.